Here's a little quick one on the electric scooter in my old garage. What to do if the folder mechanism snaps. And it's quite simple really. All you got to do is you got to push the folder mechanism. Tight as you'll go, wrap around cable ties, and then just absolutely cape it in electrical tape. And then as long as you don't mind living, like if you value your life, don't do this, like fix it properly. But if you don't mind, like if living's okay for you, like me living life on the edge, just wrap her up there in cable ties. I put a bit of metal wire around there. It's pretty solid. I don't think it's going to come out as long as I'm sensible, but I'm not that sensible. So yeah, it's probably definitely give it a wobble. It's a bit. Let me give it a wobble. You know what I mean? That's not right, is it? It's just all flappy. But is what it is. But that's a temporary fix on that one. I'm never gonna fix it properly.